Hi everyone, it's Laura the Teach. Today we're going to talk about the letter E. The letter E has two different sounds that it makes. Now to make the letter E in sign language, you take your hand, make a fist, bring your fingers up a little bit, and put your thumb underneath your fingers. Now E has two sounds. E is a vowel. And a lot of our vowels have multiple sounds to them, typically a short sound and a long sound. Short E, kind of reminds me of when a horse has a bridle on its face and a bite bit in its mouth. And then when you pull back on the bridle, the horse says, So if you think about the horse and its bridle being pulled, you can say the sound for short E, like in the word extra. Like I'd like some extra whipped cream on my pumpkin pie, or I'd like an extra hug before I go to sleep at night. Long E, sounds like eel. E, it says its own name. I again have three fonts or different ways that you can write the letter E as examples. And pretty much no matter how you write the letter E, it always will look like an E. So no matter the style of font that you use, you'll recognize the letter E. So again, our short E, like pulling on the reins, and the long E says its own name. So if we're going to look at the short E, we've got some animals to help us out. We've got an elephant, elephant, elephant. Emperor penguins, emperor, emperor. An Eskimo dog, Eskimo dog. For our short E. Our long E says its own name, remember, and it says E for eel, emu, eagle. So to review, E says two sounds, a short E, and a long E,